At a temporary resettlement for yet-to-be-registered refugees in Dagahale, one of the 5 camps that make up the Dadaab complex, Shanqaro Abukar and her family are still reeling from the effects of a cholera outbreak. In November, Abukar lost a child to cholera after she and 4 of her children had come down with the disease. Last month, the mother of 11 was again taken ill with the disease together with 4 of her children.
If the children are alive today, it is only because they are surviving on milk and water. Sometimes we don't even have that. We are living with a lot of problems. I have so much pain as a mother not being able to help my children with anything. It is only God who can take away my pain since we don't have anyone to help us.
We have a lot of challenges here, the main one being a lack of sanitation facilities. We don't have latrines. All refugees in this settlement share one latrine. That is leading to poor hygiene conditions, exposing us to communicable diseases like cholera and others.
Humanitarian agencies say the influx of refugees has put pressure on the provision of services in the already overcrowded camps and warn of dangerous health conditions in the camps.
We've had a lot of rains, so the rains have kind of added to the flooding in the camps, and because of this, cholera is continuing, and it is dire. If we don't do anything, we have the risk of cholera becoming endemic.
The Kenyan government acknowledges the challenges resulting from the increase in numbers, but says there is no cause for alarm, as it is working on an integrated service provision approach to address the challenges. Such an approach involves a central database containing information about the refugees, their locations, and their needs.
The issue of finances, resources is always a challenge, and that is why the development partners come in. But more importantly, even them, they are also experiencing the fatigue, and no wonder the shift that the government is doing through Shirika Plan, which has an integrated approach of service provision.
More than 135,000 new refugees have crossed over from Somalia into the Kenyan Dadaab complex since late last year. As stakeholders grapple with the effects, refugees like Abukar hope their living conditions can improve soon. Juma Majanga for VOANews, Dadaab refugee camps, Kenya.